arrive in style with this Dodge 2018 Charger RT Scat Pack. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. This vehicle's top features include cargo net, octane red pearl coat, engine, 6.4 LV8 SRT Hemi MDS, STD, brake calipers, red, Beats audio group included, 552-watt amplifier, 10 Beats premium speakers with subwoofer, tires, P245/45 ZR20 AS performance, STD, black Scat Pack logo cloth seat, wheels, 20-inch x 9.0 inches forged painted aluminum and transmission, 8-speed automatic, 8 horsepower 70, STD. If you are looking for a solid pre-owned car, this might be the one. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to schedule a test drive.